Hello everyone, welcome back to Defi Dragon. Today it's season for clicker apps on the Telegram like TapSwap and Hamster, Bloom, and WeCoin, and more other popular apps like NotCoin. So we are currently working on it and today in this video I will guide you how you can make your own app like these all types of apps. So first of all you have to create a bot here. So simply you can start the bot further and my new bots. Then you have to choose the bot name and then choose the username, and it will give you a token. Okay, so after that you have to set up a Vite app, React.js, and you have to make the components like a website, but we are like a boost page, earn home, and coin, everything we are set up here. For the testing development, here we are running on the localhost, and then you have to connect your website with the ngrok. You have to set up ngrok and connect it with the this localhost to ngrok, and then you have to update the link like this. Where paste the link here in the board setting and edit menu url. So if we uh, this is the last, if we open this link, I hope our site will be open because it's last link I updated. Here we have the local list, like it's not desktop responsive, it's only mobile responsive, and like here we are clicking and it's increasing the tokens. Here we have about and the referral, the task, and it will be boost, and this will be wallet. So it's just under production, and we will just finalize it soon. Okay, so here is the click, and also this will be, this is the coin bar. Okay, so it's not hard to create. It's simple like other websites we created. If someone familiar with the Vite React app, it you can easily create it, and just you have to link this website with the Telegram, and just you have to create a link, or you can host it anywhere, and just you have to give the link to the bot, and it will be updated. And like here, let me check here Tyron, and here play. It's looking like this on the desktop, because on these types of games not working on the desktop, so it's only mobile responsive. So like this it will be looking. Okay, I just open this TapSwap. They are not working on the desktop, only it's working for the mobile, so our focus to make it only mobile responsive. Let me show you how TapSwap show on the desktop. like here TapSwap. Here is the TapSwap, start now. You can see here leave the desktop mobile gaming rock. So these types of games not responsive for the desktop, so only for mobile responsive. So don't worry about this um, design, the front end, because it's only mobile responsive.